In the coldest inhabited place on Earth, every pull on this rope is a fight for survival. Beneath this frozen surface lies the only chance to feed his family. Finding the right spot to drill is the difference between returning with food or with nothing.
This lake, frozen solid for months, hides the only living things for miles.
Every tool must be secured. Losing even one could end the day before it begins.
Each step must be measured. The wrong path could be deadly. Finding the right place is only half the battle. Now the real work begins.
The lure must sink deep, where the fish are hiding from the cold.
Patience here is not just a skill, it's survival.
Finally, the first sign of life in the frozen silence.
Then, the storm arrived without warning.
But the fish is still there, and he can't let go. Every muscle burns, but letting go means losing everything.
In a place where life clings to the edge, this is victory.
There's no time to celebrate. Not with the storm closing in. The storm has passed, but the cold never leaves.
Hida, Hida! Move faster, dogs.
Tomorrow, the ice will still be here, and so will the hunger. Because out here, every return is just the beginning of the next journey.